Here, you're looking at a beautiful neighborhood in Bulawayo, Zimbabwe named Mzilikazi. And in this neighborhood is where we held our sustainable gardening project at the Mzilikazi Youth Center. As I walked through the neighborhood, I could tell that sustainability is a must, with almost everyone growing food. And as you walk through, you can see different fruit trees thriving. You can tell that this has been historically a huge part of the resilience of Africa. Resources are an abundance, but we need to make sure that the resources are accessible, because electricity and water get cut daily. So things like water harvesting, solar panels, growing food are extremely important. Hi, my name is J.R. Morgan. I'm the owner of Morganic Roots Eco Firm. We're doing a collaboration with Mambira Foundation, located in Eugene, Oregon. Right now I'm standing in Mzilikazi Youth Center, where we're focusing on improving food security. We're going to be doing a permaculture design, bringing tools, bringing plants. We're starting a seed bank, and this is just going to be a wonderful project to be a part of.
Hello everyone, my name is Sonono. I'm a permaculture designer and educator. I live in Bulawayo, Zimbabwe. I'm very passionate about empowering the youth, people in general, with knowledge on how to grow their own food, how to become self-sustainable, and how to improve food security. So I'm really super excited to be a part of this project because it really focuses on those things that I'm passionate about.
One of our strategies for this project to be successful was to raise awareness on the importance of sustainability. So what we did is we had a music show at the National Art Gallery in downtown Bulawayo, and this place was packed. So what this did is it made it easier for us to connect with the people and explain to them about the project, and also talk about the importance of sustainability. We also had entertainment to start the workshop to create a positive vibe and get the energy high. Day after the music show, we were able to present the Sustainable Gardening Workshop, and we had over 50 youth attend. We were able to talk about important topics such as what is a healthy diet, how to grow from seed, propagation, water harvesting, plant combination, soil, and compost. And we also got to talk about how to maintain and love the sustainable garden that we installed there at the youth center.
Our children these days are prone to ill habits, going into drinking and drug abuse, because they simply don't have anything to do because of the economy of the country. But now that we see this development coming to help them with the gardening skills, I'm sure we are making farmers out of these people. Very soon some of these people own land from the crops that they develop here, because farming is the way to go. Everybody needs food.
So we got started. It took us a little bit under 2 weeks to complete the sustainable garden, but it really showed what we can get done if we work together. Another really important part of this project was to bring resources to the youth center. We were able to bring soil, we bought a bunch of tools, we were also able to start a seed bank.
Hi, my name is Ruth Ngomo. I enjoyed so much the workshops. I really learned a lot about the plants and also how to do the garden. So we enjoyed a lot. We have learned how to plant and also learned more about the trees, some that were not here in Africa. So it's super exciting to be part of this project. So I want to thank everyone that came and supported us, and also the Morganic Roots. I thank them so much because they opened our minds in doing this gardening project that we didn't do. So it's an exposure, and learning a lot. Thank you.
We had a great job working on this project. The youth, they were very dedicated, eager to learn, and they just made the project worthwhile. It was very heart fulfilling. Right here in this image, we have guest Sonono, the permaculture expert, Ratie D, the music entertainment manager, and J.R. Morgan, the owner of Morganic Roots. As you can see here, we installed a fence to protect the garden. We also installed drip line irrigation to make it easier for the youth to water the plants and to also save water. Another goal that we had was to plant a diverse selection of plants. We planted flowers, herbs, and a bunch of fruit trees like apple trees, avocados, mangoes, lemons, oranges, papayas. So eventually this place would turn into a food forest with perennials mixed in with some annual crops. Right now, these beds don't look like much, but they are packed with seeds and starts. So give it a little time, and we would have created food for the people. Phase 2 of this project is to extend the food forest near the back of the youth center and to also build a greenhouse where the youth can start planting seeds that can be planted throughout the garden and to also create a financial opportunity where they can sell plants. And not only improving food security, we have developed a place that can help the youth come, get exercise, connect with nature, detach from stress, and just be at peace.
Hi everyone, my name is Tabo Dungu, and I've been part of the project that has been organized by Mr. J.R. Morgan. Basically, the project was fun, it was engaging, it was informative. I learned some of the things that I wouldn't have learned under normal circumstances, and yeah, my partner Andy and other youth at the youth center have been working hard with Mr. Morgan to sustain the whole garden and all of that, and we promise that once he leaves we're gonna keep it going and sustain it up until he comes back and he eats most of the fruits that we've produced. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Shanti Chira from Mzilikazi Youth Center from Zimbabwe. I would like to thank the Morganic Roots for the wonderful event that we had on Saturday, which turned out so very well. People participated within the event and we got to learn much more about agriculture. So then we are hoping that as the days go on with the climate change challenges that we're having within our community, we will be able to put the education into practice, and we'll make sure that we carry on with the project and keep it safe always, and also preach it to other youth and other communities as well who didn't get the chance. We are very thankful. Thank you so much.